Which of these sentences sound the most formal? The AI-generated image of a chibi-style character in a Gashapon capsule A has become the talk of the internet. B has become an internet viral hit. Or C has taken the internet by storm. The correct answer is A. The AI-generated image of a chibi-style character in a Gashapon capsule has become the talk of the internet. The type of phrase you use depends on how much emphasis you want to give and how formal the situation is. If you want to really emphasize how popular something is online, you'd use exaggerated, attention-grabbing phrases like "it has gone viral" for casual social media posts. But for more formal, professional, journalistic, or academic writing, more restrained and measured phrases are better suited. When it comes to ranking the phrases in terms of formality, here's the order. Always remember, the key is matching the language you use to the overall formality of the context. Thanks for watching today's video, and I'll see you soon.